Grilled pork with ginger. Hi friends! Today we need sliced pork. 500 grams of sliced pork, 30 grams of ginger, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sake. Grate the ginger, add the soy sauce, then the sake, add the sugar, mix well. Put the meat into the sauce mix. Make sure to evenly apply the sauce to the meat. For better result, soak the meat for about 30 minutes in the sauce before frying. Slice the cabbage. Like this. But if you have a slicer, it is easier. What about you? Which one do you like to use? Let's fry the meat for about 5 minutes at medium heat on one side. This dish is also great for lunch boxes, but don't put too much sauce on the rice, as the rice will become oily. But if you like it that way, please do so. Then flip on the other side until the meat is done. You can add more soy sauce if you like. Simmer it for a few minutes. The secret here is not to put too much ginger. This is one of the dishes you will find in Japanese teishoku. Teishoku means Japanese style meal. Turn up the heat and cover while we set. You can also use this ginger sauce with chicken. I will be sharing teishoku dishes. So make sure to check my teishoku playlist and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also serve this with pickles and miso soup. This sauce is so good. Feel free to watch this video again. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Enjoy your food. Mata ne!